Hello students, I am Nakul Sheth. Today we are going to start a new topic of Java programming, that is exception handling, which is such an important topic in Java because if you want to execute your Java program into a normal flow, for that you have to use exceptions into your Java program. So take a look at today's agenda. First, we are going to see what is exception and what is exception handling. Then we will discuss different types of exception occurs in Java, and at last we are going to see try and catch block, which are used to prevent exceptions. Now take a look at the definition of exception here. We can say an exception is an unwanted or unexpected event which occurs during the execution of a program at runtime, which means an event that disturbs a normal flow of a program is known as exception. Now remember one thing, an exception is always occur at runtime only. So I hope you understand what is exception in Java. Now if I am going to handle this unwanted event, then that process is known as exception handling. So I hope you understand both of these words, that is exception and exception handling. Now, so basically there are two types of exception occurs in Java. First is checked exception and second is unchecked exception. So let us discuss about checked exception first. A checked exception is an exception that checked by compiler at compile time. It is also known as compile time exception. Now remember, this exception can't be ignored by a programmer. As a programmer, we have to take care about this exception, that is checked exception. Now let us discuss some example of this checked exception. We can say SQL exception, IO exception, class not found exceptions are known as checked exception in Java. So this is all about checked exception. Now we are going to discuss another types of exception, that is unchecked exception. This type of exception is known as runtime exception. Unchecked exception can be ignored at compile time by your compiler. We can include some system bugs, some logical errors, or improper use of APIs are known as unchecked exception. For an example, array index out of bound exception, arithmetic exception, null pointer exceptions are known as unchecked exception. So this is all about exception and types of exception in Java. Now we are going to see how to handle an exception in Java or how to prevent an exception in Java. So basically there are two main keywords which are used to handle exception in Java. Those keywords are try and catch. Here you can see syntax of try catch block. First we have to write a keyword, that is try, and in this block we are going to write our code which may occurs exception later during execution of our program. And then in this catch block we are going to write a code which can handle that exception occurred in this try block. So let us take an example here. I have created an array here which has only 3 elements, and in below line I am trying to print value of 10th element. So at this time there is a chance to occurring an exception here. So to handle that issue, I have to write into catch block, that is system.out.println and something went wrong, which means if your compiler stops your programming execution abnormally, then your catch block will prevent that abnormal execution. Okay? So this is it for try catch block. Now let us revise quickly again. We have to write doubtful code into try block, and to prevent that execution we can write that code into catch block. Now remember one thing, we cannot separate this try block and catch block at same time. catch block must become immediately after your try block. So this is it for today's topic. Let us discuss some important questions regarding this topic. First question is, what is exception? Second question, what is exception handling? Third question, list the different types of exception in Java. Fourth question, give the example of checked exception and unchecked exception. And at last, which keywords are used to handle exception in Java? So students, this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning, stay happy.